To share with you a recipe of dry saffron petha, which is very popular sweet in India, particularly in Agra, hence it is also called as Agra Petha. This petha is dry from outside and it is very juicy from inside, and for the flavor we are adding saffron, which makes this recipe even more tastier. And the best part of this recipe is it doesn't require any special skill. Just by following all the steps carefully as shown in this video, you should be able to make perfect petha at home. So if you like this recipe, do give a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more wonderful recipes, and don't forget to give your valuable comments and feedback in the comment section below. Also, to watch the same video in Hindi, link is given in the description box. इस वीडियो को हिंदी में देखने के लिए उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है. I am taking here 1 kilogram hard winter melon. We have to peel its outer skin and remove the seeds and the soft fibrous portion. So it is very important to keep only hard part of melon. And once it is done, now I am going to cut this into large thick slices like this. Now in a large bowl, add enough water and 1 teaspoon edible limestone and mix it well. There are 2 reasons for adding limestone. It makes pethas firm and it helps in retaining white color. Now I am going to prick each piece of petha with fork or toothpick from all of its sides, and then add petha pieces in limestone water and leave it for 8 hours. Now after 8 hours, drain limestone water and add fresh water to the petha. Wash pethas thoroughly and rinse well. Repeat this step for at least 3 to 4 times with new water. Now in another pan, boil enough water to take in the pieces, and once the water starts boiling, add petha pieces and cook for around 5 to 7 minutes on high flame. Keep eyes on the pethas, and as soon as they start seeing half cooked, just turn off the heat and drain water and take out the pieces on any strainer to cool completely. Now we will prepare the sugar syrup for the pethas. So for that I am taking 4.5 cups of sugar in a pan and add 3 cups of water. Now stir to dissolve the sugar and cook it on high flame till it reaches to the 1 string consistency. So by the time sugar syrup is getting prepared, we will gently squeeze out maximum water from all the petha pieces. Make sure do not press them hard, and this step is very important, otherwise water in petha pieces will change the consistency of sugar syrup that will further soften up the pethas after cooking for longer in the syrup. So prepare all the petha pieces like this, and now check the consistency of syrup. So take a little syrup between fingertip and thumb like this. It should form one thread or a string like this. Then add all the pethas in the syrup and cook on high flame while stirring continuously. When sugar syrup turns to thick consistency, add pinch of saffron and pinch of turmeric powder to give it a nice yellow color. If you want, you can also add rose water or kevra essence. Now mix it well, and as soon as you see consistency of syrup like this, turn off the flame and let petha sit in the syrup for 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 to 30 minutes, remove pethas from the syrup and place on a plate to dry completely. Now keep flipping the sides of the pethas in every 1 to 2 hours till they dry out completely. So the pethas are ready. They are completely dry from outside. You can hear the sound they are making. And now I'll show you how juicy they are from inside. So I'll cut one piece and see. You can see how juicy it is. So guys, give this recipe a try and share your experience in the comment section how it turned out for you. So see you next time with new recipe. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.